Hello and welcome to RC and thanks for stopping by. This is my WLTOYS car 12428. Right now this is my most disappointing car, and somehow I think they gave me a car another customer had sent back. On my first run I noticed it went on rear wheel drive. The fix was easy, only a screw in the front differential got loose. On my second run it rips better than on the first one, but I noticed it doesn't steer well. Right out on the track I saw the servo doesn't work right. As I got home I also saw that the right drivetrain got bended. Therefore I ordered hand drive shafts and a new servo with metal gears. So topic of this video is the change of these parts. I had already done some disassembling in preparation of this video. And there's one thing I found out in addition which I like to show you. As I changed the shocks in one of my first videos, I struggled with the body. Now I knew an easy way to get access to the chassis. You only have to remove 10 screws. 4 under the body, 2 at the sides and 2 from above. 2 are at the fronts. For some repairs you only need to lose the last ones a little bit and then can tilt the body forwards. On this build I removed all screws because I needed the space to work on the car and not being hindered by the body. So let's begin with the build. First I start to check the front diff because I cannot say if the drive shaft has loosened the diff again. After this, the servo and the drive shafts are changed, and the car will be reassembled again. This is self-securing nut, so you need an extra wrench or pliers. The differential looks good, so I can grease and reassemble it again. This is an annoying step, but it's better to be safe than being sorry later. To fiddly with the camera between me and the car, I do the screwing off camera. I put in the new servo to test if it works and to adjust the neutral point. You cannot pop out the arm at the servo ball end. It's screwed with a really tiny screw, but I had to make some space for the job. The easiest thing is to remove the arms from the hubs. Removing the complete steering is a bigger task. I think you get the idea to change the servo on the mount. Let's speed up this repeating work on the factor of 30. And again, checking, adjusting and checking. And here too, I put the screw on off cam, because this was too fiddly with the cam in the way. Just a short function test. I got a great hint. The steering rod is running in this kind of bracket or box. It's a little bit schizophrene, but it's recommended to add grease to it. Otherwise the mechanism will slow down or block, because the plastic part intend to rub on each other or later being blocked by dust and dirt. And the other way around, the grease attracts dirt. Seems no matter what you do, you're screwed, but I like to test it with grease. Testing and distributing the grease. Yep, the shaft is bended. The new shafts come along with metal wheel connectors. That's great. But they also have non-self-securing nuts. That's bad. I use the stock ones. And refit the shocks. This is the tilting method I had spoken at the beginning of this video. So now the car's done. I forgot to connect the light wires, so I had to reopen the body off cam and fix this. And I lost one of the screws getting into the roof. I found it the day after and put it in. In my next video I'll go out and test this car. Again. I thank you for watching. If you got some questions, the comment section is yours. And as always, please like, share and subscribe. See you soon on RC Birds.